It's wet outside.
Oh, Amanda thought it was a good idea to go in the rain.
It was a good idea.
It was a great idea.
It was the best idea. Really.
We did a rain dance and it worked.
It worked really well.
A lot.
Mhm.
Every time. It's still raining pretty
It's raining
hard.
pretty hard.
We went inside because we were going to get hit by lightning.
Didn't feel like dying today.
Nope.
And that'd be
Pretty
fun.
Wet though.
Yeah, we're gonna get sick.
No.
Yeah.
No. Being in the rain is healthy.
Okay.
It's really healthy.
Uh-huh.
It's good for your health and makes you feel better about yourself.
Okay. Don't do that. You're getting it all on my computer. Grace.
I'm sorry.
Water's not good for technology.
Here, let me-
Water. No, Grace. Grace. Just smearing it around some.
Well, you got a towel.
Yeah, but I'm sitting on it.
You want me to wipe off your computer?
No.
Okay.
No. Okay, bye.
Bye.